Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore practical ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into a simple but effective method: making money with online surveys. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn some extra cash, stick around because we're going to break down everything you need to know. First, let's get the basics out of the way. Online surveys are a way for companies to gather consumer feedback on products, services, or market trends. They value your opinions and are willing to pay for them. The key is to find legitimate survey sites and maximize your earnings. Let's start with finding the right platforms. Check out the link of Best Site for online surveys. Link is in the description. Please share it with others. Thanks for watching the video.